morning, evening, or afternoon, teacher. Today, my name is Watana, and today I'm going to present you about our slide. So in this slide, there are four main points. First one is about our project. Number two is about arrangement, and number three is about challenges, and number four we will show you a demo of our code, and it will be presented by my other teammate. So about our project is about a coffee shop system, which we name Bullet. And within the shop, there are four main functions. And in the menu, we have today coffee menu, which is the shop owner can change the coffee or add or remove coffee which that they have or only for special occasion. And number two is admin menu, where the shop owner can access to various functions. And number three, password and changing the password. And number four, discounts. Number five, survey. And number six, game. And in our another main function is report. And this function which is will print out the total amount of cup that we sold, including income, and then the most favorite type of coffee and the amount of that coffee order. And another main system is the queue system, which the shop owner can see the order that has been arrived, that haven't been made yet for the customer. And this slide will be shown the function which we have finished and other function which we are unable to finish due to unexpected bug, or we couldn't figure out how to make it work in our main program. Let's next slide to arrangement. In here we have shown a brief function about each team member that we done. What I've done is collect member code and merge them into one main program. In this slide is shown our meeting. The first meeting is we talk about choose who to be the leader and choose the topic that we want to write about. And the second time we need to discuss how many functions we want in the program and assign each member for a task to do. Third time we meet to talk about how the task have been done, and then we talk about what we should write on the final report. The fourth time we meet to discuss what are the challenges, select the task, and assign another task for each member. The fifth meeting we talk about our progress and tell each member to start testing and bug fixing. The sixth time we discuss about our code submission and report documentation, and then start to implement it, fixes for the error. And thirdly, we talk about challenges. About the challenges, it's high responsibility, which each member have to do various tasks about given to them. If they didn't do it in time or have difficulty with it, it could mess up the schedule of all of us. And another point is difficult to implement what we learned into our project. And another one, communication. Some of our members have a hard time communicating with other teammates. And another challenges is about our schedule. Not all of us study only one school, which lead to having their time taken to study or to do various other projects or other school. And what we overcome challenges by helping each other, discussing, doing meeting, we research on the internet, and then we seek further during the lesson. And in this point, I will give to other my teammates to show you the code demo.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Sasha. I'm gonna present about the console mode of our application. Welcome to Three Bullet. Three Bullet is our coffee shop name. Free to enjoy. Number one, there are 6 functions: coffee menu, a game, queue, survey, admin, and exit. I'm gonna present about the first one. So if user want to go to coffee menu, they can enter number 1 like this. Then they will see the menu here. Welcome to Three Bullet. There are 15 coffee as you can see, and there are three sizes: small, medium, and large. And here is the password of the Wi-Fi, low bullet. If, for example, if user want to buy Mocha, they can enter the ID of Mocha number 5. So they can enter number 5 like this. And then they can choose the size of the Mocha, or they can go back if they change their mind. They can go back and enter number 4. They can enter other coffee they want. So let's say they want to go to Americano. They want to choose Americano. Then they want to choose a large. Large is the ID of large is 3. So let's enter 3. Then the number of coffee. How many coffee they want? Let's say user want 5 coffee. And then the application will ask the user if they want more coffee. If the user want more, they can enter number 1. If they don't, they can enter number 2. So let's say they want more coffee. Here we show the menu again so that the user don't have to scroll up and see. Here, let's say user want to drink iced latte. Let's enter number 10. Then size medium. Then 3 cup of coffee. Then the user let's say the user don't want to drink anymore, so they can enter number 2. They will see the receipt of the coffee. Let's say there are 2 coffee. Here as you can see, they bought 2 coffee, Americano and iced latte, and here is the price, and here is how many cups they bought, and here is the total price. Here the total price of each coffee, and here is the total price of the total cost of what they have to pay. And yes, we discount 5%, so the total cost is $16.53.
Hello teacher, now it's my turn to continue the start terminal from section. Now I'm gonna present about the game. So I enter the choice number 2, and then it will display out 3 games for our customer for them to play during their waiting for the coffee serve. Among the 3 games, our customer they don't have any right to choose, so our system will random for them. So now I'm gonna start it. This is the choice number 1, which is Tic Tac Toe. So player 1 is the customer, so I'm gonna enter the choice. Here's the result printout. Player 1 win, mean that our customer has win the game Tic Tac Toe. So in reward, they have got the discount $2. Now is the end of my part. I'm gonna pass this starter menu to my teammate.
Hello teacher, my name is Saikun Hong and represent the Q function. The Q function is content about is in number 3. When we press number 3, we go to the Q function, and the Q function contain about the remote order, display order, and back to the menu. For the remote order, we created to the order list our customer that we set up the customer. We set the drink for the customer in the list. And if we press number 1, we just reduce the waiting of customer from the list and implement the customer. Like the first I'm choose the number 2 to display the order, and then here is the order like this, and then I choose the number 1 to remove the order and enter the password. See, for the password is we import the wrong password. is display the wrong password, and then is a invalid password. We need to rewrite the password again. So we choose the number 1. Again, remove order and password 1. So it's display like this, and then when I choose the number 2, I saw this display order again. So the order is reduced 1, and then we have only 2 order like this. And the number 3 is back to the back menu. So I choose like this. That is all.
Hello teacher, my name is Bisay. I'm responsible to present about survey, admin and exit. So if the user want to do the survey, you just click number 4, and then it will ask the user that would you like to do the survey. So if you want, just click number 1, and if you don't want, just click number 2. So I'm gonna click number 1, and then the user need to answer all the question. And question 1, we ask the user that how is the service here. So if good, we click number 1, and if it is normal, click number 2, and if it is bad, just click number 3. So I'm gonna click number 1 is good. And question 2, how is the service here about environment. So if you think that service here is normal, we click number 2. And question 3, we ask how is the service here. The service here is good. And number 4, would you recommend our shop to other? Of course, number 1. And number 5, we need the user feedback or suggestion. So we already do the survey, and if you want to log into admin panel, just click number 5. You need to log in with password. So if we click the wrong password, it will be alert you that it is wrong. And if we click the right password, it will allow us to see the 6 options. The first one is about report day. Report day is we talk about the total carb, the income, and also the bestseller in this coffee shop in a day. And then we click the day is 5, number of month is 1, and year is 2022. Then we can see the total carbs is 100, and total carbs of size small is 0, and total carb of size medium is 0, and total carb of large is 100. And we can see the total income is 182, and it shows us the most order coffee is hot latte time, and the number of sale is 40. And if you want to see the report of the year, just click number 3. So we also see the total cup of coffee. It's number 4 is we talk about self report. Actually, we already automatically save, but if you want to make sure, just click number 4. Then your data will be saved. And number 5 is we talk about the survey report. If you click number 5, then you can see the survey of user that are already answer our question. If you want to exit, just click number 6. Thank you for listening.
Okay, so our code demo have come to finish. Thank you very much for listening. And you can see our source code. You can scan the QR code to see access to our GitHub, where all the code exists.